Today we are doing the experiment to show the conductivity of live fruits and vegetable, showing their conduction, the ionic conduction of these fruits and vegetables which have high composition of electrolyte in them. Thus, by doing the experiment, we can show these live fruits and vegetables can bring high vitality in human body. By consuming fresh fruits and vegetables, you can increase your vitality and get a healthy body. So healthy body and mind. So we can perform this experiment to show by using a device which is consisting of a 9-volt battery which is connected with 9-volt LED bulbs in series, and these all are connected with the two electrodes in series connection. When we connected these electrodes, the LED bulb glows, showing that these fruits and vegetables are having high content of electrolyte and ions which can conduct because of its water quantity. So these fruits and vegetables can easily digest, and it give high energy and all the nutrients which are required by the human body. So let's start the experiment. So for this we have done arrangement of these all in series: the battery, the LED bulb, and two probes, positive and negative. Let's start the experiment. When we are connecting this probes directly, this bulb glows very bright, showing that there is a continuity, and the bulb glows, LED bulb glows very brightly, so showing that there is a continuous conduction. Now we will check this probe with a fruit called banana and check whether there is a conduction or not. So one probe we have connected. Next we will connect another probe, checking that see the so this is showing that there is a conduction in banana which is conducting the electricity when connected in series. So this experiment show that these live fruits and vegetables contain a high value of ionic composition and electrolyte which can allow the conduction. So these fruits and vegetables give high energy to the human body when consumed. Next we will check with a lemon which is present here, and check whether this will conduct or not. So all the two probes will connect. So here we can see the brightness of LED is glowing, showing that there is a better conductivity in lemon, and thus consuming this can give a high vitality to the human body. Next, same thing we will check with a tomato. Here also the glowing bulb indicates that there is a good conduction on these all fresh fruits and vegetables. Next we can check with the potato. So the potato is also showing a good conduction of electricity. So by doing this experiment, we see that all the fresh fruits and vegetables conduct the electricity in its natural form. Thus, whenever consumed, will give a high vitality to the human body. And consuming fresh fruits and vegetables keep the human body free of any diseases. Thus, this experiment is done to show the high vitality of live foods and vegetables.